In today's digital age, where everything moves fast and distractions are constant, it's easy to feel disconnected from ourselves, from our creativity, and from the simple joy of doing something with our hands. That's where DIY projects and handicrafts come in. These aren't just weekend hobbies. They're quiet acts of self-care, a return to the kind of focus, patience, and presence that our busy lives often lack. Whether you're painting a wall, knitting a scarf, or transforming old jars into chic decor, DIY gives you a sense of control, purpose, and expression, and it all starts with the decision to simply begin. What makes DIY so powerful is that it engages both the body and the mind. You're physically moving, measuring, stitching, gluing, but you're also problem-solving, imagining, experimenting. It's a beautiful blend of structure and freedom. In those moments when you're deep into a project, your brain enters a flow state, similar to meditation, where time fades and stress melts away. That's because crafting lowers cortisol, boosts dopamine, and can actually help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. It's healing in motion. But crafting isn't just about relaxation, it's about rediscovery. Every project is a reminder that you are capable, that you can bring something into the world that didn't exist before. You may start with a mess of materials, but little by little, it becomes something meaningful, just like life. And even if the final product isn't perfect, it's real, it's yours, and there's pride in that. DIY also teaches resilience. Things will go wrong, paint will spill, stitches will slip, cuts will be crooked, but each mistake becomes part of the process. You learn to adapt, to fix, to move forward. And in doing so, you build more than just crafts. You build confidence. You start to trust your instincts. You learn to slow down. You realize that creativity isn't a talent, it's a muscle, and anyone can strengthen it. And then there's the magic of giving. When you gift someone a handmade item, you're not just giving them an object, you're giving them time, energy, love, and care. That's something money can't buy. It's a form of connection that says, I thought of you. I made this for you. It makes the everyday feel sacred. So if you've been feeling mentally stuck, emotionally drained, or just craving something that feels real and grounded, start small. Fold some paper, pick up a brush, repurpose something in your house, make something, anything, because in doing so, you're not just creating art or fixing furniture, you're rebuilding your inner peace. DIY is your invitation to return to the present moment, to unplug, to reimagine what you're capable of, and to remind yourself that sometimes the path to healing isn't a straight line, it's a pattern, a stitch, a handmade detail, one intentional act at a time.